Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop sharing your Instagram stories to Facebook. Okay, can't remember to like this video if you find it helpful, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing we need to do is click on the Instagram application. Okay, then we'll click on the human symbol. It is in the far right, this one here. Okay, can make sure you follow each step here by watching the video until the end. Okay, then click on the three bars at the top. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is click on settings. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, scroll down to account center. Okay, now after clicking account center, you will see our profiles here. Then you want to click on this arrow here for sharing across profiles. Okay, now you will see your Facebook account and your Instagram account. This is only applicable when you've connected your Facebook to your Instagram account. Then click on your Instagram here, this one. Okay, now what you want to do is toggle this one, automatically share your Instagram story, this one here. Now this will ensure that your Instagram stories are not posted to Facebook. Okay, thank you guys, let's meet in the next video.